आज के इस लेसन में मैं आपको सिखाने वाली हूँ 150 एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस. Interrogative examples. Will you attend the meeting tomorrow? Will you attend the meeting tomorrow? When will the package arrive? When will the package arrive? What time will the concert start? What time will the concert start? Who will be the next president? Who will be the next president? Where will you go for your vacation? How will you complete the project on time? Will it rain tomorrow? What will you do this weekend? Who will accompany you to the party? Will they hire more employees? What will the weather be like tomorrow? When will you finish your assignment? Will you join us for dinner tonight? Where will the event take place? How will you achieve your goals? Will she pass the exam? What will you eat for breakfast? When will you start your new job? Will the price of oil increase? Who will be your partner for the project? What time will the movie begin? Where will you live in the future? How will you celebrate your birthday? Will they win the competition? What will you wear to the party? When will you buy a new car? Will he remember to bring the documents? Who will take care of your pets? What will you do if you win the lottery? Where will you go for dinner tonight? How will you improve your skills? Will she come to the party? What time will the bus arrive? When will you visit your grandparents? Will they travel abroad next year? What will you study in college? Where will you spend your summer vacation? How will you solve this problem? Will he be able to finish the project on time? What will you do if it snows tomorrow? When will you start your own business? Will they invite us to the wedding? Who will be the keynote speaker? What time will the store close? Where will you go for the weekend? How will you prepare for the exam? Will she pass her driving test? What will you do if you lose your phone? When will you retire? Will they buy a new house next year? So दोस्तों, this is it for today. We will be talking then experience. Take care. Bye for now.